there is something you know. Maybe people around you knows it, but you can't just assume everybody knows it. There are people out there that don't even know what you know, that don't even know half of what you know. You get my point? I'm encouraging you to start a channel. Post something. Just post, even if you don't know what to post.
Welcome to 2025.
So I had to come outside so I will motivate you people on video editing this particular year, because I know some people are still sleeping. They are still sleeping in 2024, even when we are in 2025. Understand? Now, in this video, I should have made this video in my house, but due to the environment where I am, I can't just make the video because this holiday, children are making noise, everybody are making noise. So I had to come outside. As you can see, this is a primary school, government primary school. Understand? So I have to come here and make this video to motivate you that you can still do it this year, even if you did not make it last year. Understand? Even if so many things came as a barrier, you could not make it that last year. This year, guys, you can still make it. With video editing, you can still make it. So let me just look for where I will sit down. Let me position this camera so I can sit down very well and then talk to you guys. You get my point? So as it is now, guys,
this is Mr. Creator Update. You get my point? So I have to sit down here so I'll be able to talk to you guys. Now, that thing that has been hindering you, that thing that has been telling you, don't worry, I'm going to post it, I'm going to make a video today, I'm going to make a video tomorrow, I'm going to make a video next tomorrow. And when it gets to that time you want to make that video, another spirit, another feelings will come that you need to relax. You are still going to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. Guys, you need to start coming off that kind of mentality, that kind of feelings. Understand? Try as much as possible to get close to people that are editing videos. This thing I'm telling you will help you. This is a new year. This is January. Now, get close to people that are editing videos and try to make sure you emulate them. Make sure they are inspiring. Make sure they are not the kind of people that, guys, they are not like you. Make sure they are advanced than you. You get my point? Now try to do some certain things. Try to create. Don't, at any time you just feel like maybe you are weak, you need to procrastinate it. Guys, get up. Just get up and go outside. Pick up your phone, on your phone camera, and start recording things. Move away from your house. I just left my house. Look at it. Today, I left my house. Everybody is supposed to be enjoying with their family and enjoying, but take it personal. Just take your video editing career personal. Understand? See, people are making money with this thing. People are really making money with video editing. So now, don't let this year be like last year that you were saying, I'm going to post. Let me wait till when I get this. But you have an Android phone. You have an iPhone. You have a phone that even the camera is not all that clear enough. But you still can see somebody. People you might still see. With this, you can still add values to people. I'm trying to motivate you. I don't know how to really, the language I should use so that you will understand, but I believe if you listen to me in this video, you will get some certain things. Understand? Because I know the weakness. The weakness is always how do I post videos? There is this thing that people do say, post consistently, post every day. Guys, don't let that thing weigh you down, because maybe there is somewhere you are working that's giving you money every month, but you cannot rely on one particular source of income. This thing here we are doing, some of us are doing it as a kind of a part-time. Understand? Now, some of us are even doing it as full-time job. You get my point? Now, what you need to do is create a YouTube channel. Create it today. If you've not created a YouTube channel, just create it today. You get my point? Create it today and start posting videos. Even if you are posting videos once in a week. I don't mean every day. I mean once in a week. Guys, you are good to go. You get my point? Post it. Even if it's once in a week. Leave it there. You are not getting views that first time. Leave it there. You cannot just start today and then expect a good result today. It's not magic. It's not magic now. I teach. And people that has come close to me, they know I teach. I teach people how to edit videos. You get my point? So start something. Start now. This is January. Don't let this January pass. All these people you see them being popular on the internet, they did not just wake up one day and then see themselves having millions of followers or subscribers on the internet. You get my point? They started one day, just one day. They started on one day. So you can do the same. You can do it. This is not about video editing alone. It's about me motivating you. Understand? Even if you don't want to edit videos, at least have something doing on the internet. You get my point? Create a channel and be posting videos. You get my point? I want this year to be better than last year. I want this year to be like you create a brand for yourself. Even me as I am, I'm still growing, but I just also pray God should also help me so that I will stand out as a big brand. And I want you to stand out as a big brand. There is something you know, even if it's not video editing like I said before. There is something you know. Maybe people around you knows it, but you can't just assume everybody knows it. There are people out there that don't even know what you know, that don't even know half of what you know. You get my point? I'm encouraging you to start a channel. Post something. Post something. Just post. Even if you don't know what to post, you have children in the house. If you are a mother, understand? If you are a mother, you use your children to make video. Understand? And post. People will watch. People will watch. Understand? If you are a driver, even if you are a driver, like you are driving on the road, guys, you can still make video with that. You can still, when you are done driving, you come back home, you can still make videos on how the road was, and you can just place camera and be videoing the road, even if you are not saying anything. Then when you come back home, you do a voiceover on, see how this is happening, how I did this, to motivate other people. You know, in this life, if you don't have any motivation, guys, you might just end up being the way you are. You need somebody to motivate you, just like what I'm doing right now. Get up. That phone you are using, just start using it now. Forget about the fact that it's not clear, it's not sharp, it's not bright. I don't have a tripod, I don't have this, I don't have that. Stop that shit. Start creating videos. The thing you know how to cook. Mount your camera phone on your tripod. Video when you are cooking. Understand? Learn to do things like that. You have a shop, you are selling clothes. Each cloth when you buy your new materials, you want to sample it, you can just video it. People can still buy from the online. Use your phone to start making money for yourself. This is a motivation from Mr. Cretin Update. You get my point? If you really want to go into this video editing, go into it full time. Don't let anybody hinder you this year. If you are a teacher, you don't even have school. You don't even have nobody employs you to teach in any school. You know what to teach very well. You have the spirit of teaching. Guys, go and create a little board. A white marker board. You get my point? Now teach that thing you know how to teach. Write it there and be teaching people. People will watch your video. At the end of it, when you get monetized, you get paid from what you are teaching. And with that, you can even have people that will call you for private teaching to come and teach their children. Understand? If you sew clothes, that's a very big content. Make sure when you are sewing, understand, you video a little, you show this part, there are some sensitive parts you don't even need to show. Guys, this year should never be like last year. Let this year be better than last year. And I also pray this year should be very, 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 very 100% better than last year. More money to your pockets. Guys, please rise up. Stop sleeping. Stop sleeping. I know some of us that have tried. We have tried so much, but it seems it's not working. And we want to give up. Please, stop. Don't give up. Don't give up. This particular time you see as it is now, maybe you've posted like 50 or 20, 30 videos and it's as if nothing is happening on your channel, nothing is happening on your page. Guys, forget it. If you want to hear the story of Sabinus, you want to hear the story of so many popular comedians and entertainers here on the internet, guys, you will not even believe it. Some people, when they see you mount camera and talk to your phone, they will say you don't have what to do. Understand? Just ignore them. Ignore them. They might criticize you, they might condemn you for you don't have, go and find job, go and look for work, go and do this. Forget about it. Understand? Guys, post your videos. As long as you have something that will give you money, understand? At least a little. create time to create content. Just create time and create content. You get my point? It will also help you as another, because online business, like posting videos online, guys, that's another passive income stream. You guys, please, let this year be better than last year. Create content. That's the only thing I'm preaching right here. I'm just coming here to preach, to tell you guys to motivate yourself. It's never easy. If you think it's gonna be easy when you are starting, it's never easy. Understand? It is never easy. And I don't even think it will be easy when you are starting. So I just pray God to help us this year, to make us stand firm in what we are doing, to help us. Understand? So for those of you that have not given me my New Year gift and my Christmas gift, guys, I'm waiting for you. You get my point? My number is in the description of this video. You can go there and chat me on WhatsApp. You get my details. You can send anything. And that's what I appreciate, because right now I'm looking for money. You get my point? So try to be real. I'm just very real. You get my point? So stay tuned and enjoy videos from Mr. Cretin Update. You get my point?